Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review for UNice Hair. I'm showing you guys all of the goodies that they sent over in the package, some wig caps, some nails, a elastic band. So the wig that I'm going to be trying on today is the V-part wig. This is the EasiContour V-part Jerry curl wig, 150% density, and it's 24 inches. I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. You have clips on the side of the V-part, and then you have this drawstring that kind of fits to your head, so you don't have like a loose V-part wig. And then you have the adjustable band, so it is very customizable depending on your head shape and everything. So I'm just starting by cutting off the little straps that kept the V part together, and as you can see, it is a V shape. I do have some leave out and I already parted that out, so we're just gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I'm just gonna start by clamping down that middle section. I'm gonna put the clips in, just gonna slide those into my braids and clip them in on both sides. So the clips are in and they have a secure hold because they have like the snap clips. Then I just lifted up my hair and I adjusted the elastic drawstring. I like the fact that I can tighten it up, and as you can see, I'm tugging on my hair and it's not going anywhere, so it has a nice snug fit. And now I'm just pulling out the front pieces of my hair, and I'm going to frame that front area just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to start styling the curls. So I'm just adding some water all over the curls. First, I'm gonna style the V-part wig, and then we're going to blend my own hair a little later. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like once I wet one side, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I'm just spraying it all over, making sure to saturate it, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of leave-in conditioner once the hair is all saturated, just so that the curls can really pop. Okay, so here's an up close look of what the hair looks like once it is all defined and got the leave-in conditioner and everything. The curls are definitely popping. Now I'm going to blow dry the hair. Of course you can air dry it, but I just decided to blow dry it to make it quicker, and I like the effect that blow drying hair has. It gives it like a nice fluffy look. Okay, now that my hair is all dried and everything, I'm just going to blend my leave out. I decided to do the like one curl method, so I'm just pulling out small pieces of my hair, and then I'm going to match the texture. So I'm just one curling my hair so that it can match like the Jerry curl, tight curl texture, and then I'm just going to take it out. So I'm going to do this all in that front section. Okay, now that I curled my little leave out, we need to blend this. So I'm gonna be using like my comb to kind of like fluff it out, and then I'm gonna be running my fingers through my leave out and just kind of like blending it in with the V part, and kind of just like working it all in. Just look at how I'm doing. I'm just like working it all in, you know, making sure that it's like a seamless blend. And then I'm gonna go in and like pull some pieces out and twist it around so that it won't be noticeable, like the line of demarcation with my hair and the wig. So I'm just gonna do that for a while until I get it to my desired look. Now I'm just going to do my baby hairs real quick. I'm just going to swoop my edges with a little bit of gel. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. My hair blends in seamlessly with the V-part wig. This was a super easy install. Of course, you don't need any glue or anything. Super easy to put on. And of course, at the end of the day, I can simply take the clips out and then, you know, take the wig off. And I love that about the V-part wig. It's very easy to put on and take off, especially after the first day, after I define the curls and everything. It'll be much easier to pop on and pop off. I would definitely recommend this wig. This hair texture is absolutely beautiful. I love the curls. I love how it blends and how easy it is to install. Again, this is the EasiContour V-part Jerry curl wig, and I have it in 24 inches. I love the natural look of it and how I can have my real hair out. So if you guys like this wig, I will have all links down below in the description. Thank you, UNice, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.